So if you really want to buy something before the end of the year, you still got about 5 or 6 days. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Tayo. Thank you so much for coming to my channel to watch my video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. And if you're new here and you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I do videos about makeup, lifestyle, beauty, my hair loss journey and recovery, how to grow your YouTube channel, and also financial issues, which this video is about. So you will find something interesting to watch on my video, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. I hope everyone had a nice Christmas. It's been a really challenging year. I know that there's so many people that lost loved ones and would have had to face their first Christmas without loved ones this year, and my heart goes out to them. And we hope that 2021 will be different and that we can get our life back to normal. Yeah, the lockdown was lifted in UK just briefly, really, and we were back into lockdown. Basically, we're back into lockdown basically again. But in everything, we just give thanks to God. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so this video is about the changes that are going to happen after the 31st of December 2020. So we are leaving the single market, we're leaving the customs union and all that. So we are setting our own rules, and yeah. So I just want to talk about how this is going to affect things that you buy, your fashion goods, your bags, things that you like to wear and all that. So yeah, so I'm talking about that. And if you want to find out more information, I'm going to leave information in the description box. You can read up about it as well. Many of the things I'm saying here, there's a lot of information about it there as well, so you can also read about it. So if that's what you want to hear about, just keep on watching. So from the 1st of January 2021, as I said, we're officially at the end of the transition period. We will be officially at the end of the transition period, and yes, there are lots of things that are going to happen. So I'm just going to go into them. So first of all, there are going to be changes to duty-free shopping. So before, because we were part of the EU, British citizens were not able to claim back duty on products that they buy in the airport. So that is actually going to end now. So now we are going to be able to take advantage of duty-free shopping, which was not possible before, because we are able to set our own rules now. So that's a good thing. So if you go to the airport and you buy something like maybe a belt or perfume or many of these products, you can claim back your duty because you are no longer members of the EU. Another thing is tax-free sales is going to come to an end. So this applies to people from non-EU countries. So for instance, if you live in Ghana, Nigeria, India, and you come into the UK, you go to the high street, you buy something you like, you fill in a form, you get to the airport, and then you claim back that duty. It's usually 20%, but the high street retailers also take a percentage in order to process it. But I know it varies. I've heard different people talk about different rates, so it varies depending on the shop. So anyway, that is actually going to be stopped now. So if you come into the EU, if you come into the UK now and you buy anything in the high street, you're not going to be able to claim back that VAT, because what they found out is that some of it is not being passed back to the consumers in the airports. They are not actually getting this VAT back. So they've decided that instead now, when you buy these goods in store, you can have them sent directly to your overseas address. So I think the people that they will take advantage of this will be people that are actually buying a lot of things to go and resell. But if you're just buying personal goods, I think it's going to be quite expensive, because I don't know who's going to pay for the shipping costs. Most likely you might have to pay for the shipping costs, because I can't really see the retailers paying for that. So that's going to lead to things being more expensive. And if they decide they're going to pay for shipping costs, which I really doubt, they will just put it in the cost of the goods as well, so they just add it onto the cost of the goods, you know. So anyway, so obviously there's going to be increased shipping costs, and yeah, so a disadvantage to UK would be that many people are going to decide to start buying things from other places. So London has always been a tourist hub, but now maybe they're going to go to places like Milan, Paris, and other places where they can get their duty VAT back, you know. So also the third thing that's going to happen, which is going to affect a lot of us, is when we buy things from places like Vesture Collective, which is based in Paris, we're now going to have to pay imports, you know. We're going to have to pay import duties. And people are thinking it might be anything between 8 and 12% for things that you're buying, you are importing. So, for instance, you go on Vesture Collective. I talk about Vesture Collective a lot on my channel. I bought a few things from them and sold a few things as well there. So, you're not going to have to pay imports, and people are speculating that it might be between 8 and 12%. We're not really sure yet. So, yeah, so that's going to happen. So if you really want to buy something before the end of the year, you still got about 5 or 6 days. I think you can just quickly take advantage of it, because they can't. It's going to happen after the 31st. I don't think they're going to apply it yet. They can't apply it yet anyway. So even if you don't get the goods, even if you don't get the goods yet, but if you pay for it, they can't now add it on. So yeah, that's something to look into. But yeah, fashion goods between 8 and 12%. Most likely you're going to have to pay for that, because we've left the EU, so we can't have it both ways. We're going to claim back, you know, so we can't also have free imports, you know, so we're going to have to pay. And then also domestic goods leaving the UK to other countries, we're going to pay between 6 and 12% as well. These are all speculations. I'm not sure of the exact amounts yet, but when I do, I'm going to come back and do another video. So make sure you subscribe so that you know when I upload that video. So there's going to be a lot of changes to the way things are. Things are going to be more expensive, obviously, because many of these costs are going to be passed on to we, the consumers. Cost of shipping, paying all those things, import duties, calculating them, and they're going to just include it in our cost. So things are going to be much more expensive, and already COVID has already made that happen anyway. So it's going to be quite interesting to see whether people are still going to keep on buying luxury goods, you know, and all that. But anyway, that is just my view, guys. And let me know if you like this video, and if you want me to keep doing videos like this. I find them interesting, and I'll definitely do another video, a follow-up video to this one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.